This is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I'm coming to you from Milan and I want to talk about how there's always an excuse.
Si sa, noi del sud parliamo a voce alta, si sa, noi del sud facciamo discussione imposta, siamo allergici alle strisce di restare.
Hey everybody, so today I'm coming to you from Milan. Behind me there is the building where the Last Supper is in. Can't get in because the tickets are sold out, but I'm exploring Milan and just spending the weekend here, and it's really beautiful. You know, I talk about this a lot on the live streams and in the videos, but one of my goals is to travel more. Right? It's always there, and it's always like, I need to travel more. I've been in England for over 20 years, and it's embarrassing how little of Europe I've seen, even how little of England I've seen. There's always an excuse not to go, right? Even though it was one thing, like people ask me, like, what do you want to do? I want to go places. I want to have like a bit of more of a digital nomad lifestyle, right? But then when the time comes to actually do it, I find excuses. I mean, COVID was a really good excuse not to do things, and it's still there. Like I realized I was still relying on the COVID excuse not to do stuff. Before COVID, it was money or time. You know, I can't do it. I can't make it happen. I can't arrange things. You know, this weekend would be great to do it, but you know, I've got this, that, and the other thing, and there's always a reason not to do something, right? And it's the same with apps. It's the same with everything else. There's things that you really, really want to do. And then one day you wake up and you realize, man, a decade's gone past, or 2 decades have gone past, or 3 decades have gone past, and I've never done some of these things I've always wanted to do. The reason I'm telling you this is because, you know, we all kind of do it. Once we take that, you know, maybe we have to spend a little bit more money than we want to, or a little bit more time than we want to, or we have to, you know, actually put something on the calendar and make it happen, even though we don't know what's going to be happening in a couple months or whatever. Sometimes it's just worth doing it because you're going to make it happen. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you have a great week. That is it for today. I'll talk to you again next time.
Se togli spazio alla tenerezza, resta il silenzio di un condominio anonimo. Porta pazienza al conformismo, io preferisco il rumore della libertà.